This is Randy with Retire with Options. It is May 30th, some Saturday. I'm just going to catch you up on what I've been doing with options this week. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely for fun and entertainment. So if you're going to do options on your own, please consult with a professional and understand that these have a lot of risk associated with them, and just use this to make your own decisions. Okay, let me get started here. These are the options that expired on Friday. I had 100 shares of Apple put to me right here. 3 contracts for AT&T expired. Contract for Home Depot expired. Contract for IBM expired. NVIDIA expired. Apple expired. Facebook expired. Another Apple expired. And I actually bought the Pepsi option just to get out from under it. I didn't want to deal with that one anymore. So what it looks like now in my portfolio, I've got those new 100 shares of Apple, 5 shares of Amazon, 150 shares of 3M. And if you'll notice, I sold my Johnson & Johnson, the 200 shares. I decided that didn't really belong in my portfolio. The premium on the options on that were so small that I could hardly make a profit on it. And the dividend yield on Johnson & Johnson about 2.5%. I'd just rather use that money for put the money to work better. So the options I've got now, there's an Apple put. Yeah, I sold it for $7.64. It's down to 82 cents. I just probably let that one ride out and expire. I got 2 302s. They're just almost worthless again. I think Thursday I swapped out my Amazon. I closed the put that I had for about $1.50, and I sold a new one for $10.41, and it's already down to $6.50. And so probably about next Thursday I'll roll that one again and just keep on wash and repeat. Here's a Facebook. I rolled that one out to June 5th because it was underwater, and the June 5th one is already, now it's actually profitable by a little bit. 3M, it's working its way down good. Microsoft, I rolled that one out to a June 5th, and now it's playing nicely. Netflix, just kind of hanging in there. There's the Pepsi that I bought. It was gonna get put to me, and I didn't actually want to hold it. I changed my mind. I'm not gonna really hold these for dividends. When I originally did this, I put it really close to the money because I thought I'd just build a position in it. But I think I'm gonna keep this a purely options account. Procter & Gamble, it's gonna expire pretty soon here, June 5th. The AT&T that I was gonna build positions in, they're going down to worthless. I started trading Tesla. It actually seemed to be working out pretty well. I sold one earlier last week, and about the middle of the week, around Thursday, I swapped it out and sold it again. And so sold it for $5.04. It's down to $2.80, and so just depending on how fast it goes down, I'll roll it out again next week, and it's already at a point where I can take profit on it, but I'm going to see if we can get a little bit more. I'm going to give you an example of what I'm going to do with this Apple stock. I'm now going to sell a covered call on it. And I was looking at it, you know, the prices can change by the time we get to Monday. But I was looking at selling, 5 days, so it'll expire next Friday, 325 covered call. So let me show you how that works out. So I had it put to me at 320, so it's a $32,000 investment. If I sell a 325 covered call, that's going to be option premium of $140 or $140. So on Friday that'll be five working days. That'll give me an option premium of 0.43%, which is about 0.5%. And if it stock gets called away from me, it'll get called away from me at $325 or $32,500. And if called, that's $500 profit plus the premium of $640, which is a total of 2% on my money for writing this option for 5 days. And I'll take 2% on my money every day of the week. And I just repeat and do this again over and over. That's the way you work it. And what I'll do, I'll write put options to buy the stock back, and then I'll write covered options to sell it. And this is just, you keep running this little window around the stocks that you want to own. And what can I say? It just keeps working out. That's really about all I have for this week. If you have any questions or want some one-on-one help, just give me a comment in the comments below, and I'll be glad to help you. That's about all I got. Thanks.